SDK.finance. In this video, we'll walk through how to view, filter, and manage chats in the UI, as well as how to initiate chats from various parts of the system. To view chats in the UI, sign in as a service user with the appropriate permission to access the chats page. First, go to the Clients page, then navigate to the Chats section. On this page, you'll see a list of all chats created in the system, whether they were initiated by a service user or a business user. It doesn't matter who started the chat, all of them are visible here. You can filter the list in several ways, by period, to show chats created within a specific date range, by whether new messages are present, by user ID, to view all chats linked to a particular customer, and by text, to find chats that contain specific keywords. You can also view the details of any chat by clicking on it. Once inside, you'll see the conversation history. Here's an example of a chat that was initiated by a service user. You can see the message they sent, and you also have the ability to send messages yourself. To attach a file, click the paperclip icon next to the message field. Select the file you want to include, for example, an image. The file will be uploaded and sent along with your message. Both the service user and business user will be able to view the attachment. Messages within the chat can also be filtered by sent date, by whether they contain new content, or by specific text. If needed, you can delete a chat from the system. Now let's return to the main chats page. Here, you'll see the newly created chat listed among the other conversations. There are several ways to create chats from the UI. First, you can create a chat linked to a specific transaction. To do this, go to the Transactions page. Find the transaction you want to start a chat about, open its details, and click Create New Chat. If there are already existing chats linked to the transaction, you'll see them listed in the Chats block. If there are none, you can create a new one. Just type your message and send it. A new chat will be created and automatically linked to that transaction. Now if we return to the Chats page, you'll see that the new conversation has been added to the list. Another way to start a chat is from an investigation. To do this, go to the Investigations page. Choose the investigation you want and click View Details. In the Chats section, you'll find a Create New Chat button. If a chat already exists for this investigation, it will be displayed here. If not, you can start a new one. Send a message to initiate the conversation. This creates a chat linked directly to the investigation. Note, only service users can create chats related to investigations. Business users do not have this ability. The new chat will be displayed immediately on the page. A third option is to create a general support chat. This is useful for general communication that's not tied to a specific transaction or investigation. To do this, go to the Client profile in the Client section. Scroll down to the Chats tab. If previous chats exist, for example, from a transaction, they'll be listed here. Click Create New Chat to start a new one. This will create a chat of type support. You can enter your message, and the client will receive it in their mobile app, where they can also reply. Regardless of the chat type, whether it's linked to a transaction, an investigation, or general support, all chats will appear in the user's mobile app. They can reply to any of them. Let's take a look from the service user's perspective. The administrator will see that a new message has been sent and will be able to open the chat and read it. If a business user initiates a chat, it is automatically created and linked to the customer support user. As you can see, the system has marked that there is a new message in this chat. And here is the message, "Hello." This shows that service users and business users can communicate within the same chat and exchange files as needed.